Hi, my name is Danya and I'm the Academic Community Manager at OKTOPI. I'm going to show you how to easily create your school. Creating a school allows you to manage your classes under one umbrella. You can create multiple schools if you'd like to distribute your classes under different entities. Click Create School and enter a school name. After doing so, enter a school description. Make sure to explain what type of classes will be provided at the school. You can even include a link by clicking on a link icon and entering your website if you have any, including an image, and always make sure to upload a relevant school logo. After doing so, simply press Create School. To show you an example of one that I've created, I'm going to click on School Intro. In the intro page, you will be able to see the name of the school, the logo, the color of the cover head, as well as if you want to include an image so that you have a cover photo. You can add social links that your students will be able to see, as well as the description of the school if it includes a picture or even an external link, and the number of classes provided at the school, as well as the number of students enrolled, the number of resources, and teachers if you are collaborating with any. When your current students access this page, they will be able to directly see other classes that you are offering in this list, and they can enroll in more classes directly from here, whether your classes are scheduled or open classes that are published on the marketplace.